All right, so I got an awesome product here I want to share with you guys. This is the Be Right Putting Alignment Mirror, and I'm super excited to show you why you need to pick this up and go ahead and debunk all the questions that you might have. So Be Right has a pretty cool setup of products. So their alignment mirror, which is what we have right here, comes in a really nice overall package. First and foremost, Be Right talking about their support and their product right here, which is super important. Next thing is you have their alignment mirror. Go ahead and check that out. That thing is glistening along with an awesome bag to go along with it so you can store without any problem. So you're able to take this to the course, go ahead and warm up however you want to, set it to the side of your bag, which is exactly what I would do here. Hook it to the side so that when I get out to the range or I'm about to hit 18, I can pop this out and get a little bit of putting in. So on the Be Right thing, you have the putter gate. It has all your alignment tools. So all the alignment spots, you have the putter gate. It shows you where you're fully stroking to and everything in between. And you can line it up with tees however you want to. Now let's go ahead and drop this down right here so you can see what we're working with. So what I like to do is set this up. Okay, so let's say we're going to be working right here. I can set the ball and I can have a clean hit and I can see the angle to which I would be going back and forth from. So that's kind of the best part. So as I'm down here, definitely taking a look at it, you guys can see. Let's go ahead and push this out a little bit so you can see what we're working with right there. And we'll go ahead and grab my putter and hopefully get the camera adjusted for you guys to be able to take a quick look. So down here is what we're going to be looking at. And let's go ahead and see if we can adjust it up for you guys. Give me 1 second. Okay. So just like that is where we want to go. So we can get a good view at the putting. So as you have it aligned right here, okay, you can see from up top, you're able to look and see how you are putting. So just like this, it gives you a great view. You can line this up however you want to, and it gives you a great view as far as getting your cadence right. So however your cadence might be, okay, and to get an even, very simple putt just like that. Guys, this thing is awesome. This is the Be Right Putt golf system. So their putting mirror, very easy to just get set up and to work on your cadences however you need to. So just like so. So if you have one of these guys, it is going to up your game. Now, a couple other things I want to show you with the Be Right putting system is if you are on the course, you can take and put tees in this. So it does make it super easy. Now, I'll actually be able to show you here. Let's see if I can grab some more tees here. Give me 1 second. And with the tees that you pop on here, it makes things a whole lot better for you, giving you a good view. So you have your gates that are set up. So if you pop this in, you have your gates that will be set up. So depending on how wide your club is, okay, so mine's just barely going to fit through there. I'm going to go ahead and widen this up to give myself a little bit more space. So just like so, I'm going to allow myself to make sure I have a proper hit. So my club head face on the putting side is not coming any different angle. So I can have a proper hit going through. And then look at that, right? Look at that. So like as I come through, it's super important keeping a nice proper plane. Guys, this thing is super durable, very lightweight, and it's going to be a perfect addition to your practice, kind of upping your game, being able to putt anywhere. Whether I'm at home playing on this turf in my golf simulator, or I need to be doing a little practice before I actually hit 18 at the range or wherever it might be, you guys got to definitely check out Be Right Golf for their mirror golf putting screen. Check it out.